Hey Divi Nation, thanks for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. For the second layout pack of this week, Kenny and his team have created a stunning butcher layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Okay, so let's take a look at the butcher layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. As you can notice, it has a kind of vintage vibe that really matches a butcher website. So you have these icons here available as well, which are free for you to use. You have high quality images included as well that are very specific to a butcher website. And you can use these all for free and without any restrictions. And if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the layout packs, so you can combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the butcher layout pack, and if you click on it, you will see all of the layouts that are available. So you can join to download or click on the blue button which says view live demo, and this will redirect you to a live website. And over here you can explore all of the different layouts that are available and decide if you want to use them on your own website. And then you can go back to your WordPress website. Go to your WordPress dashboard, add a new page, and say, for instance, you want to upload the landing page. You can simply give your page a title, publish the page, enable the Divi Builder, and this will redirect you to the visual builder right away. And over here you have three options, so you can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. And we're going to browse the layouts to find the butcher layout pack. So over here you have all of the layout packs again, and go ahead and scroll down until you come across the butcher layout pack. Select the layout of your choice and then click on the green button which says use this layout. And this will take little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. Alright, so once you're there, you can start modifying everything to your own need. You can play around with all of the content that's available if you don't want to make any changes to the appearance, but you can easily make changes to the appearance of every design element on the page as well. So you can open the settings of each one of the elements, and for instance, you can change the gradient overlay over here, make it darker, make it lighter, depending on what you want. Give it a little bit of color as well if you want to. Or you can make changes to the entire layout by using Divi's efficiency features, and these features will allow you to make a lot of changes throughout your entire page without having to repeat them. So for instance, if you want to change the style of the headings over here, you can simply just open the settings. And over here you have the content that you can change, and then you can simply go to the heading text settings over here, and you can replace the font that you can find over here with another one by right clicking and clicking on find and replace. And over here you can see the font that's being used at this moment, and you can replace it with any font of your choice. And then make sure that you tick off the box which says replace all font values within every option type not limited to heading font, and then click on replace. So as you can notice, this will take little to no time for it to change throughout your entire page, and you can basically do that with any kind of option that you have within the visual builder. So you can save a lot of time with that and really customize your website to your own needs, modify everything, and make it ready to go live. So go ahead and play around with all of these layouts and have fun using Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.